You're looking at a custom fitted teeth grill set we just had done for a customer. This one here, 6 top teeth, 8 bottom. It is solid 10K gold with the diamond dust finish. Gold diamond dust finish. Here's the back side. Okay. And it is available on our website, blingcartel.com. You can choose different teeth combinations. You could do a top, bottom, or a set. You choose how many teeth you want. Check us out, guys. blingcartel.com. Get custom fitted grills to fit your teeth perfectly. blingcartel.com. Thanks for watching, guys. And as always, y'all have a good one.